How's it going, everybody? Daniel with BTR Outfitters. So today we're gonna check out this truck. We've already done the work, so there's not gonna be a whole lot of install video, but I kind of wanted to show everybody what we do for some of our commercial customers. This is one of many trucks we've done for this company. Super great company. I'm not gonna say the name. I don't know if they're okay with it or not, so we'll just leave them out of it for right now. But they set these trucks up, and I know this company, they work their vehicles. So with that being said, what we're going to show you today, if it interests you, give us a shout, send us some questions, things like that, see what we can do to help you out. So here again, I'm the only cameraman and I'm the guy doing the video. Be patient with me. I'm going to flip the camera around. We're going to start looking at some of the goodies. All right, guys, so what we have here is just a Chevy half-ton work truck. Nothing fancy, no craziness. We kind of took it to that level though. So what we're gonna do is start right here. So as y'all can see, once again, we're doing the Rough Country 3.5-inch lift kit for these guys. It gives them the ground clearance they need to take this vehicle into the spots they need to take it. So we didn't go crazy on the interior. We didn't even do seat covers, but there's two little switches right here. We'll get to what those do here in just a minute. I did want to point out that we are a RAM mount dealer. Laptops, cell phones, tablets, computer systems. We do install the RAM mount systems. That's really all we did to the interior, guys. Most of what we did goes on the very front or the very back. So what you have here is a low profile, or excuse me, a standard profile UWS toolbox. Gives you all kinds of goodies and all kinds of storage. But then we walk back here. We drop that tailgate and there is a decked tool system. So this is a toolbox system that is 100% waterproof. It will hold tons of weight up on top of it. Up here, guys, I'm willing to bet you could park a four-wheeler on that bad boy and still be able to open these drawers. So that's how far out the drawers go. They do come with nifty little dividers to pop in. They lock into these spots. This system is capable of having a lock put in, but truthfully, with the new vehicles and the way things are made nowadays, you shut this tailgate and it locks your drawer shut. There is no room to even reach and move this handle. So this is the other drawer. It also comes with these tool trays. So super awesome feature. Super amount of storage in these things, guys. Then I'm going to climb up here without falling. So then you also have these compartments. Now this company elected to have the over-the-rail toolbox in. There's actually two more compartments right up there. But with that toolbox in, those compartments are not accessible. This is the same scenario. Has more storage. But let's show you this feature. So once that tailgate's closed, if you look up in here, there is no room to reach down in here. I can't even find the handle. And get that open enough to do anything. I mean, there's nothing you're going to reach with that. So, awesome feature, guys. All right, coming around this side here again. Pretty standard. I'm going to get you another look at that RAM mount. So, we haven't tightened any of this up. The company is going to install their own laptop or tablet or whatever they may use. But this is what the RAM mount is. if your company or even just you as a private contractor use tablets and things, this guy right here is one of the best features you could possibly fit into one of these trucks. And they're fairly reasonable and they're very durable. All right, so we also threw a grill guard on this bad boy. Looks pretty wicked with that grill guard on there. Gives you a lot of protection, guys. Here in Texas where we're located, it's deer country, hog country. I mean, animals are going crazy up in here. So when you get a grill guard like this bad boy, it gives you that really stout protection that you're needing. So we also installed this light bar. So this thing, guys, at night, these guys work a lot at night. So in the evening or nighttime when they're actually stuck out on a job and they need extra light, they kick this up and adjust it to where they need it, and it gives them all the light they could ever dream of. But we also installed these little guys. So here again, company vehicle, safety is key. So we installed these little strobes on front and back. That way, high visibility if you're stuck in a traffic area. I didn't show y'all these earlier, but that's where the little strobes are, back here. So now we're gonna kick them on. I'm gonna blind y'all for a quick second, just so y'all can see. All right, let's come back up here and everybody put on their sunglasses. So there's the strobes. And this is that vicious light bar. Now this company opts for the Rigid brand because of its durability, its strength, and it's very, very high on lumens. If anybody doesn't know, that's how they rate the brightness of a light, is with lumens. These bad boys are vicious when it comes to lumens. So this is actually, let me flip it around. This is the light bar itself that we installed on this truck. Just to give y'all an idea. So, like I said, we've done tons of stuff for this company. Great company. The things that we do for them are necessary for them to do their daily jobs. All right, I'm going to flip this back around so I can see myself. All right, guys. So I told you it was a quick, short little video. Everything that we've done on this truck is capable of being done on any truck on the market. Everything's kind of, as far as the lighting goes, it's all custom. I mean, we order switch kits and things like that, but when it comes down to it, having it wired right is very crucial. That's a whole nother video we'll get into later. So yeah, guys, if you own a company or if you just like the toys that we put in this truck and you think they'll help your everyday life, give us a shout here at BTR. Otherwise, subscribe, like, any questions, post them below, and we'll talk to you later.